Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Keeping your Creative Cloud apps current ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This is the hub that manages all your Adobe applications on both Windows and macOS. If the window doesn't appear right away, check your taskbar or menu bar for the Creative Cloud icon and click it to bring the app forward. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if prompted, sign into your Adobe account so the app can check for available updates tied to your plan. Inside the Creative Cloud window, look to the left panel and click on Apps. This section is where you'll see your installed applications and any available updates. It's the control center for maintenance, giving you a clear view of what's up to date and what's ready for a refresh. On the right side of the Apps view, look for the Update All option. Seeing this is a quick indicator that one or more apps have updates available. If you don't see it, your apps may already be current, or the app is still checking for updates. Update All is handy when you want to bring everything up to date in one sweep, but in this walkthrough, we'll focus on reviewing the details first. Click on View Updates to see a list of the apps with updates available. This page typically shows the app name, the pending version, and sometimes release notes that highlight new features or bug fixes. It's a good moment to glance at what's changing so you know what to expect after the update installs. From this list, select the app you want to update. Choose the one you rely on most or the one with the improvements you need right away. If an app is currently running, consider saving your work and closing it to help the update proceed smoothly and avoid interruptions. Now click on Update. Creative Cloud will begin downloading and installing the latest version. You'll see a progress indicator so you can track how things are moving along. Keep your device awake and maintain a stable internet connection. If disk space is low, free up some room to prevent the update from stalling. When the process completes, the button usually changes to Open, confirming the app is ready to use with the newest enhancements. That's all there is to it. Thanks for following along, and enjoy working with your updated Adobe Creative Cloud apps.